KX.com.
With the KX Storm Team.
Making cow. Hey, Tom, how's the weather?
I love that, cow chow. Now, I asked our director, and he said that's the non-technical term for silage. See, I grew up in Phoenix. I didn't deal with this, but that was very cute. That's Angie, Brooklyn, Weston, and Colton Clark from Freud, Montana. So it was always fun to play that. All right, here's what you need to know for the next several days. For tonight, temperatures will be in the 40s. It's going to be cooler and less windy tomorrow. It's still going to be breezy. It just won't be as windy as today. And then it'll be warmer Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And it looks like we're going to have a pattern change. It may start over the weekend, but it'll definitely take hold next week. Here's a look at the KX Cam network right now, and you can see temperatures in the 60s and 70s area-wide. And the wind really isn't all that strong right now. It was windier earlier today. So when we look at some of the other temperatures across western North Dakota, you know, the warmest temperatures in the south, and I guess you kind of expect that. But you can see 77 in Bismarck, 79 in Hettinger, and up along the international border, mid-60s. And the wind has been northwesterly or westerly, 15 to 20 to 25 miles an hour just at the last reading. It has been stronger than that. Here's a look at the wind forecast for tomorrow morning, and even early tomorrow morning. Now, it may not be very windy in eastern Montana and southwestern North Dakota, but it is going to be breezy around Minot and Bismarck, and then points to the east. And you can see the colors there to give you an idea on the wind. And by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, just a little bit breezy in the west and southwest, and a little stronger wind around from Bismarck up to the international border and to the east. And by 10 o'clock tomorrow night, the wind really drops off. And you would think, hey, good, we're done with it. Yeah, not so fast, because Thursday morning it starts getting breezy again. A look at Thursday afternoon. Thursday is going to be windy again. So we're going to get a little bit of a break, a few hours of a break, but by Thursday it's going to get pretty windy once again. So I want to show you a couple things here. Tonight, the jet stream is still, the main part of the jet stream is still to the north. We're on the warm side of it. That's why we have, one of the reasons we have all these high temperatures, warm temperatures. We're still under the influence of high pressure, and that's a much more stable air mass. So we're not getting any rain. We need some rain. Right now, with this setup, that's not going to happen, much more than maybe a sprinkle, but nothing to help. But by Monday of next week, and I've set this for Monday morning, the main part of the jet stream is going to take a big dip here, and then maybe a little smaller part here. But that's a trough. That's lifting the atmosphere. That's more unstable. In fact, it's entirely possible we might even have some thunderstorms on Monday. Not thinking severe weather or anything, but we could have some thunderstorms, but we will be cooler on the cooler and wetter side. So that's going to give us our next best chance of rain. So keep your fingers crossed, because if it happens, it's likely going to happen at least earliest Sunday night and possibly Monday and maybe Tuesday. Here's a quick look at Delta right here. And you can see, and when I first looked at this earlier this afternoon, the winds were 130 miles an hour. So it is getting stronger. It's a Cat 4 right now, and it is heading in the general direction of New Orleans. Here's the next 72 hours for Dickinson, and we're going to keep these warm temperatures. And it's going to be blustery, and it's going to be pretty warm around Williston as well. So tonight, another mild night with temps in the 40s. Tomorrow, cooler than today with temps in the 60s is all. Here's a look at the Bismarck 7-day, and you can notice the drop-off next week when we get that pattern change in the cooler air. It is really going to start cooling off. And, you know, Monday and possibly Tuesday, that at this point looks to be our best chance of rain. So keep your fingers crossed.
Will do. Thanks, Tom.